Hello, and welcome to English Friends Chat.
We are so excited to help you start your English journey today.
Hello, and welcome back to English Friends Chat.
Hi everyone, we are so happy to see you again today.
My name is Emma.
And I am Ryan. We are here to help you practice real English.
If you are new to our channel, welcome. We speak slowly, and we speak simply.
Please remember to click the subscribe button, and please like this video. It helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you for your support. So Ryan, what are you doing right now?
I am looking out the window, Emma.
What do you see outside?
I see birds flying high in the sky. They look very free.
That is a nice image, birds flying high.
It makes me think. It makes me think about high places and big things.
You are in a thinking mood today.
Yes, I am thinking about life and where I want to go.
That sounds very deep, but it is good to think about life.
It is. Do you ever look at the clouds and think about the future?
Sometimes I do. I think about what I want to become.
That is perfect because that is our topic today.
Today we are talking about dreams and goals.
We are talking about what you want to do in your life.
This is a very positive topic. It is about hope.
Yes, hope is a beautiful thing.
We will teach you 10 important words and 5 useful phrases.
These words will help you talk about your plans.
Let's start dreaming.
Emma, let's start with a big word. The word is future.
That is a good start. The future is the time that will come after today.
Yes, tomorrow is the future, next year is the future.
When we are children, we always think about the future.
What was your dream when you were a child, Emma?
When I was a little girl, I had a big ambition.
Ambition, that is our first hard word. What does it mean?
Ambition means a strong wish to do something or to be successful.
Okay, so you had a strong wish. What was it?
My ambition was to be a doctor.
A doctor, that is a very hard job.
It is. I wanted to help sick people.
That is a kind dream. Did you study medicine?
No, I did not. I changed my mind.
That happens. We often change our dreams.
Yes, now I am a teacher and I love it.
You followed a different path.
What about you, Ryan? Did you have a childhood dream?
Yes, I was told to dream big.
Dream big. That is our first phrase.
Dream big means to have very high goals. Don't limit yourself.
So what was your big dream?
I wanted to be an astronaut.
An astronaut. You wanted to go to the moon.
Yes, I wanted to fly in a rocket. I wanted to see the stars.
That is definitely dreaming big.
But I am not an astronaut. I am a YouTuber.
And that is good too.
Let's talk about now. Do you have a goal for this year?
Yes, I want to learn a new skill.
Skill? Tell us about this word.
A skill is the ability to do something well, usually because you practiced.
Like cooking or driving or speaking English.
Exactly, speaking English is a very useful skill.
So, what skill do you want to learn?
I want to learn how to paint pictures.
That sounds creative. Do you want to be an artist?
No, just for fun. I want to improve my creativity.
Improve. This is a very common word for learners.
Yes, improve means to make something better or to get better at something.
You want to improve your English? Emma wants to improve her painting.
Exactly. How do you achieve a goal like that, Ryan?
You must do it step by step.
Step by step. That is our second phrase.
Step by step means slowly, doing one small thing at a time.
That is good advice. You cannot learn everything in one day.
No, you learn a little bit today and a little bit tomorrow.
Ryan, do you have a fitness goal?
Yes, I want to run a marathon.
A marathon, that is 42 kilometers. That is a big challenge.
Challenge, that is a strong word.
A challenge is something new and difficult. It requires great effort.
Yes, running for 4 hours is a big challenge.
How will you achieve this?
Achieve, please define this for us.
To achieve means to successfully finish something or to reach a goal.
I want to achieve this goal by running 3 times a week.
That is a good plan, but sometimes it is hard.
Yes, sometimes I am tired, sometimes I want to stop.
You must keep going.
Keep going, that is our third phrase.
Keep going means continue. Do not stop, even if it is hard.
Yes, I tell myself, Ryan, keep going, just 1 more kilometer.
You need motivation.
Motivation, everyone asks about this word.
Motivation is the feeling of enthusiasm that makes you want to do something.
My motivation is my health. I want to be strong.
That is good motivation.
But sometimes we don't see results quickly.
That is true. You need to check your progress.
Progress, what is progress?
Progress means moving forward or getting closer to your goal.
So, if I run 5 kilometers today and 6 kilometers next week, that is progress.
Yes, even small progress is good.
But Emma, what happens if we fail?
Failing is part of life. The important thing is do not give up.
Give up, this is phrase number 4.
To give up means to stop trying, to quit.
We say, never give up.
Exactly, if you fail, try again.
I tried to learn guitar, but it was too hard, so I gave up.
That is okay. Maybe guitar was not for you.
But I will not give up on English.
Good, because you want to be successful.
Successful, that is a nice adjective.
Successful means you got the result you wanted.
A successful student passes the exam.
A successful baker makes good bread.
We all want to be successful.
To be successful, you need to look for an opportunity.
Opportunity, that is a long word.
An opportunity is a chance to do something good.
For example, practicing English with a friend is an opportunity.
Or a new job is an opportunity.
You have to take the opportunity.
And finally, you have to make it happen.
Make it happen, that is our last phrase, number 5.
Make it happen means to do the work to make your dream real.
Don't just sit and think, you must act.
Yes, work hard and make it happen.
Wow, I feel very inspired now, Emma.
Me too. I want to go and paint a picture now.
And I want to go for a run.
Before we go, let's review our 10 hard words.
I am ready, let's go.
Word 1, future.
The time after now.
Word 2, ambition.
A strong wish to do something.
Word 3, skill.
The ability to do something well.
Word 4, improve.
To make something better.
Word 5, challenge.
Something new and difficult.
Word 6, achieve.
To reach a goal successfully.
Word 7, motivation.
The feeling that makes you want to work.
Word 8, progress.
Moving forward towards a goal.
Word 9, successful.
Getting the result you want.
Word 10, opportunity.
A chance to do something good.
And our 5 phrases.
Dream big, step by step, keep going, don't give up, and make it happen.
Excellent. Now let's play a game.
I love games, what is it?
This game is called Dream or Goal.
Okay, how do we play?
I will say a sentence. You tell me if it is just a dream, which is vague, or a goal, which is a plan.
I understand, I am ready.
Number 1. I wish I was rich.
That is a dream, it is just a wish, there is no plan.
Correct. Number 2. I will save $100 every month.
That is a goal, it is a specific plan.
Yes. Number 3. I hope to be famous one day.
That is a dream, hope is not a plan.
Number 4. I will read 5 pages of an English book every night.
That is a great goal, it is step by step.
You are very good at this.
Thank you. Goals are better than dreams because goals have action.
We are coming to the end of our video.
I feel very positive about the future now.
I hope our friends watching feel positive too.
Remember, learning English is a big goal.
It is a challenge, but you are making progress.
Just keep going step by step.
Now let's ask the question of the day.
This is a very important question.
The question is, what is one goal you have for this year?
Oh, good question. What is one goal you have for this year?
It can be small, like drinking more water.
Or it can be big, like finding a new job.
Please write your goal in the comments.
When you write it down, it helps you achieve it.
That is true. Writing is powerful.
We will read your goals and we will cheer for you.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Thank you for listening.
Remember to subscribe to English Friends Chat.
And make your dreams happen. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.